Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode of SimplyTechwhiz. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a longtime viewer or a first-time visitor, we promise you an engaging and informative experience. We have a lot of exciting content lined up for you. In this episode, we're going to explore a fundamental component of every computer system: storage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how your computer works, this topic is essential. Understanding storage is key to optimizing your computer's performance and ensuring you get the most out of your technology. So, let's dive right in. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of computers: storage. What is it? How does it work? We'll break down the different types of storage devices, from traditional hard drives to modern solid-state drives. Each type has its own unique characteristics and uses, and what are its key features? We'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each type, helping you understand which one might be best for your needs. We'll also touch on some tips for maintaining and upgrading your storage devices. This will ensure your system runs smoothly. Stay tuned to find out. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear understanding of computer storage and be better equipped to make informed decisions about your own tech setup. Let's get started. We can't wait to share this valuable knowledge with you. Computer storage refers to the component that stores and retains data, whether temporarily or permanently. It's essential for running software, saving files, and even booting up your system. There are two main types of storage: primary and secondary. Primary storage, like RAM, is volatile and loses data when power is off. Secondary storage, such as hard drives and SSDs, retains data even when the computer is powered down. Examples include the traditional hard disk drive, HDD, which uses spinning disks to read-write data, and the solid-state drive, SSD, which uses flash memory for faster performance and durability. Storage is broadly categorized into primary storage, like RAM and cache, and secondary storage, such as HDD, SSD, and USB drives. Primary storage is fast and volatile, meaning it loses data when power is off. RAM, for instance, is used for active tasks and running applications. Secondary storage, on the other hand, is non-volatile and retains data even when the power is off. Examples include HDDs for large data storage, SSDs for faster access speeds, and USB drives for portability. Let's break these down. Primary storage is fast but temporary. RAM, or random access memory, holds data that the CPU actively uses, while cache memory speeds up processing by storing frequently accessed data. There are different types of primary storage, including DRAM and SRAM. DRAM, or dynamic RAM, is slower but more cost-effective, while SRAM, or static RAM, is faster but more expensive. The main advantage of primary storage is its speed, which allows for quick data access and processing. However, its temporary nature means that data is lost when the power is turned off, making it unsuitable for long-term storage. Secondary storage keeps data permanently, even when the power is off. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data, ensuring that important files, documents, and applications are always available when you need them. Unlike primary storage, which is volatile and loses data when the system is powered down, secondary storage provides a reliable solution for long-term data retention. This type of storage is essential for both personal and professional use, as it safeguards your digital life against unexpected power outages and system failures. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, having reliable secondary storage is indispensable. The two most common types are hard disk drives, or HDDs, which are affordable and offer large storage capacities, but are slower. HDDs have been around for decades and are known for their mechanical parts, including spinning disks and read-write heads. This mechanical nature makes them more susceptible to physical damage and wear over time. However, their cost-effectiveness makes them a popular choice for storing large amounts of data, such as media files, backups, and archives. HDDs are often used in desktop computers, external storage devices, and servers where large storage capacity is needed without the high cost. They remain a staple in many data storage solutions. And solid-state drives, or SSDs, which are faster and more reliable but generally more expensive. SSDs use flash memory to store data, which means they have no moving parts. This not only makes them more durable and less prone to failure, but also significantly faster in terms of data access and transfer speeds. The increased performance of SSDs can lead to quicker boot times, faster application launches, and overall improved system responsiveness. Despite their higher cost, the benefits of SSDs make them an excellent choice for operating systems, software applications, and gaming. Additionally, SSDs are becoming more common in laptops and high-performance desktops, where speed and reliability are paramount. As technology advances, the price gap between HDDs and SSDs is gradually narrowing, making SSDs more accessible to a wider audience. Another type of secondary storage is external storage devices, such as external hard drives and USB flash drives. These devices offer the flexibility of portability, allowing you to carry large amounts of data with you wherever you go. External hard drives provide substantial storage capacity and are often used for backups and transferring large files between computers. USB flash drives, on the other hand, are smaller and more convenient for quick data transfers and temporary storage. Both types of external storage are essential for users who need to access their data on multiple devices or require additional storage space beyond their computer's internal capacity. Cloud storage is another modern solution for secondary storage. It allows users to store data on remote servers accessed via the internet. This offers the advantage of accessing your files from anywhere with an internet connection, making it ideal for collaboration and remote work. Cloud storage services often come with additional features such as automatic backups, file sharing, and synchronization across multiple devices. However, reliance on internet connectivity and potential security concerns are some of the drawbacks to consider. Despite these, cloud storage has become increasingly popular due to its convenience and scalability. Lastly, optical storage media like CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs are also forms of secondary storage. These are used for distributing software, music, movies, and for archival purposes. While not as commonly used today due to the rise of digital downloads and streaming services, optical discs still offer a reliable and cost-effective way to store data for long periods. They are less susceptible to data corruption over time compared to magnetic storage, making them suitable for archiving important data. In summary, secondary storage encompasses a variety of devices and technologies, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Whether you prioritize cost, speed, portability, or durability, there's a secondary storage solution to meet your needs. Understanding these options helps you make informed decisions about how to best store and protect your valuable data. There's also external storage like USB drives, external hard drives, SSDs, and cloud storage for storing data online. USB drives are portable and easy to use, but they have limited storage capacity. External hard drives offer more space and are great for backups, but they can be bulky. SSDs are faster and more durable than hard drives, but they are more expensive. Cloud storage allows you to access your data from anywhere, but it requires an internet connection and may have subscription fees. Choosing the right storage depends on what you need: speed, space, or portability. For speed, SSDs are the best choice, offering rapid data access and transfer rates. If you need more space, consider high-capacity hard drives, which provide ample storage for large files. And for portability, USB drives are convenient and easy to carry around. Reliability is also crucial. Always look for storage solutions with good reviews and warranties. this journey through the world of computer storage. Your engagement and support mean the world to us. We look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Until then, happy computing and take care.